Good morning, gladiators. Welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to use the World Factbook for your project. Your teacher has provided you with a rubric, a list of 27 European Union countries that you will select from. Please be very specific with your rubric. Follow it exactly the way it is listed. Your teacher will also provide you with an example of a Google slide project from last year. Be creative, but do not go away from the rubric. You are able to use Google, but that is only for images on the categories that allows you to go to a Google site. For the most part, you will find everything in the World Factbook. The World Factbook is a system that is used to provide you with data of the countries that are worldwide. So let's go ahead and get started. You will select countries to locate your country of your choice. If I was doing a project on the United States, I will click on U because that is the first letter that my country begins with. I will then click on the United States. Here, you're able to locate images. If you choose to use any of these images for your project, you're more than welcome to do so. Most of your information is going to be located in the one-page summary. I'm going to walk you through some information that you will find there. But I also want you to use your critical thinking, your analyzing skills. Now, on your rubric, it is asking you for physical features, major landforms, and bodies of water. I will use the map because the map will display that information for me. It will be easier than having to go through all the data. Here is the North Pacific Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, the North Atlantic Ocean. Those are bodies of water. In the United States, we also have the Rocky Mountains. That is a physical feature. I would list those on my slide, and then I would also locate pictures that I could use to show those features. Now, to return back to the original page, you will use the arrow to return. I mentioned earlier that you can use the one-page summary to locate most of your data. Here, you will find your government. You will list that information, your government type, the capital, people in society, the population, the ethnicity, the language, and religion. Again, most of your information is located here. Your rubric is very specific. It's also asking for government leaders. So all your government leaders are going to be different. Some are going to have prime ministers, some will have a chancellor. You will have to list all that. It is also asking you for economy. So let's go ahead and click on economy. So you will scroll until you locate the key of contents on the left. You will click on economy. For economy, it's going to give you an economic overview. Your teacher wants agricultural products, major industries, technology, HDI, less or more developed. Some of your countries will not display the HDI. HDI is Human Development Index. If it does not display that information, do not try to go look for it anywhere else. You will not lose points if the information is not listed of your country. Your teacher will know which countries do show the HDI, so please do not disregard that information. If it is listed, you must put it on your slide. You will find the HDI in the economic overview, so you will have to scroll and locate it. If it does show it, it will say HDI or Human Development Index in bold words, just like that. So here we're looking for agricultural products and major industries. Some are located right on the top, and others you may have to scroll to locate them. Here are the agricultural products, and here's the listing that you'll have to display. Here are the industries, and here's the listing that you will have to display. You may even find some of your technology on here. Again, it's something that you will have to locate. You can look around to see if there is technology listed. If it doesn't, then just use the information that was on that list. Again, do not disregard what's on this list. Locate what is required of you, and if it's not on there, your teacher will know that it's not. You will not lose points for it. In this particular case, if I'm looking for HDI, I know because I've researched it, I know that HDI is not listed for the United States. Based on the type of work and the type of economics that they have in the United States, I can use my social studies strategies to determine whether or not this country is less developed or more developed. Because it has a wide variety of economic jobs, such as airline and agriculture, they have airports, they have internet, they have hospitals, they have railways, roadways, waterways. This tells me that my country is a more developed country. So I will definitely post that on my slides. For the most part, everything else you are able to locate using the key or that one page summary that I showed you. You can go to geography if you'd like to locate information. But for the most part, try to stick to just the three categories that I showed you earlier. Okay? If you want to go back again, if you want to look at images and you want to use images for your photos, you can use these, or you can click on Google and locate those images. But remember, if you go to Google, you must cite your source for every image. All right? Okay, my guys, or my angels, sorry, my angels, have a great time with your project. Be creative. I know you will do well. As always, you can always ask your teacher for information. But the rubric is very specific. You just follow through each category and then just use the video to guide you on how to use it. I know you will do well. Good luck.